Be fucking real, man. Come on.
Hello world, I am Deborah DeLone. I am back with another video. I'm back with part 2. Let's make some logo pants. And I hope you will like this video. But like I always say, just sit back and enjoy the show. And I will see you watching this video. If you like this video or not, just comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. So bye guys. See you later. Now I'm going to do my next step. I'm just going to serge the inseam of my pants leg. This is my next pant leg. Okay, I got both pant leg inseam serge. Now I will show you my next step. My next step will be sewing the crotch seam. I sewed it together and then I will do a double stitch. All sewn together. They are coming along. So now I will go serge my crotch stitch. Well, my crotch seam. Sorry about that. And I'll be back to show you the next step. Hey guys, my next step will be making my waistband. This is my waistband. I will make a back seam. This is my elastic. I cut it to about 28 inches long because these pants will be a size small. Now I will close my waistband together. I will sew the two ends together.
Be fucking real, man. Come on.
Got my elastic sewn together, my two ends. This is what I got. So now we'll go and press down my seam on my waistband, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna serge around my waistband. While I'm here, I'm just serge around the bottom of my pants legs. Got that done, so the next step would be hemming my pants leg. This is my next step. I have my little label put together, and I'm getting ready to just put my label on. Then I will pin down my hem of my pants.
Be fucking real, man. Come on.
About a half an inch hem.
Bro.